Let me start by apologizing for not posting this video earlier than promised. For a while now I've been on the road, so I haven't really had time. A few days ago I found myself standing in a place that feels like the future, right here in southeast Nigeria. A place many people have talked about, debated and even doubted. But after coming back here again, I can confidently tell you that something remarkable is happening here. I visited the new Enugu Smart City and frankly speaking, I'm very impressed. When you first arrive this place, what will strike you is the scale. This is not just another estate project, this is a carefully thought out urban development, one that aims to redefine how cities should look like and function in Nigeria. The layout alone tells a story. Roads, carefully defined zones, space that breathes. You can already imagine what this place will become a few years from now. Internal roads are currently being constructed, and you can see the precision in the planning. These are not the narrow congested streets we are used to. These are roads built for flow, for movement and for the future. And it doesn't stop there. Walkways are being constructed. I know that might sound like a small detail, but in reality it is a big deal. A city that considers pedestrian is a city that values its people. It means safer movement, better lifestyle, and a more organized environment overall. Another major highlight is the pipe laying work. This shows that the planners are not just thinking about what is visible on the surface but also what lies beneath. Because a true smart city is not just about beautiful buildings, it is about system, water system, drainage system, infrastructure that works quietly but efficiently in the background. And from what I saw, that foundation is being taken seriously. Now, one of the things that really stood out for me is the presence of the natural water bodies, like the Ekulu River and the Nyaba River that crisscross part of the new city. These rivers are not just geographical features, they are opportunities. And honestly, I strongly hope that the developers and the government consider damming these rivers as strategic points. Why is this important? Because with proper planning, these rivers can become assets rather than challenges. They can help manage flooding, provide water resources, and even enhance the beauty of the new city. Imagine controlled water bodies, landscaped waterfronts, recreational areas, maybe even ecotourism spots. This is how great cities around the world turn nature into advantage, not something to fight against, but something to work with. What excites me the most is the intentionality behind this project. For too long, many of our cities have grown without structures. Buildings go up before plans are made. Roads are added as an afterthought. Drainage becomes a problem we all try to fix later. But here it feels different. Here it feels like planning is leading development, not the other way around. Standing here at the new Enugu Smart City, I couldn't help but imagine what this place will look like in the next 5 to 10 years. A fully developed smart city in Enugu, modern infrastructure, organized neighborhood, functional system. This is the kind of environment that can attract investors, create jobs and improve quality of life. But as promising as this is, there is something important we must not overlook. Development should not come at the cost of the livability. A smart city is not just about roads and building, it is about the people. It is about creating space where people can live, work and thrive. One thing I would really love to see as this project progresses is a strong emphasis on green spaces, trees, parks and open areas. Because no matter how modern a city is, without nature it becomes overwhelming. We don't want another concrete jungle. We want a city that breathes. A city where you can walk under shades. A city where children can play safely. A city that balances technology and nature. I hope that we create an environment that truly serves the people. The new Enugu Smart City is still a work in progress, but the foundation being laid is promising. And as I left the site, one thought stayed with me. This could be a model, not just for Enugu, not just for Southeast Nigeria, but for Nigeria as a whole. If we get it right, if we continue with proper planning, if we integrate nature with development, if we think long term, then this won't be another city, it will be a standout. And honestly, I can't wait to come back here in few years and see how far this project has come. Before I leave, let's see what this place currently looks like from above.